Well, hello there, YouTube. It's Thursday, March 24th, 2022, and I'm going to make another quick little video. But before we just jump into making videos or showing videos, let's go ahead and check out my Tony Live account. Last time I had 62 subscribers, which was just a couple of days ago, and right now we have 64 subscribers, so I'm going up, up, up. We're getting close to that 100, you guys. That's really all I want to do is hopefully we can get to 100. But welcome, 2 new subscribers. I hope I don't let you guys down. This video, maybe I will let you down. You know, until I get some parts. Oh, I did get some parts. I'll show you that in a minute. But for now, what we're going to be working on is this, right? We're going to be finally working on, well, not finally, but all I'm going to do is just change this sensor. That's basically all I'm going to do is change the sensor and clean the tank. You see how it goes. Pay attention to the snap ring. I kind of noticed that, you know, in my video, the air pump magnet removal and replacement, when I removed the pulley and all that, it also had a snap ring on it. So pay attention to the orientation of the snap ring. You'll see what I mean. But the inside bevel, it's on the inside of this. Actually, let's see if I can figure this out. But the inside that's facing the inside of the plug here on this ring has a little bevel to it. And you'll see what I mean in the video because I actually have a picture of it. But I want you to realize that that bevel is facing out. The flat side of the snap ring is actually on the inside. All right, so that's one thing just to pay attention to in this little video. I mean, it's like a real quick video. And here's the other thing. We did get some parts. So unfortunately, the parts that I got are not going to help us. These are for the head bolts. And that one's also a head bolt. This is for the steering column, the knuckle on the top. And then this is also, well, this is for the injectors and the seals. So, unfortunately, that's not going to help us. We can't do anything really cool with that, right? There's not, I mean, what can I do with this? There we go. All right, so in this video, it's just really quick. And I hope I'm going to put together probably a montage of all the other little things and then just interrupt that montage when there's anything that's relevant. But I don't know, I'm running out of time. I need to get the heads here. And, you know, we can start putting this car together. The other thing I want to do, too, is I'm still going to take the crankshaft out. But I'm not going to take the crank out until we're ready to actually reassemble it. Because there's no sense in having all that stuff just laying around. So, did I even use any tools in this video? Not really. So there's really no links in this thing. And there's no timeline or anything. It's like a real fast video. I'm probably talking more than that video is going to take. So let's settle down and sit back and have a cup of coffee and watch this video. Hey, give me a thumbs up. We're really pushing for that 100. I mean, I'd love to see that happen. That'd be a glorious day around here. You remember how happy I was when I got my first one. All right, guys. So watch this video. Give me a thumbs up. Share it. Let's just try to get some momentum going, and we'll get to 100. And then if anything happens after that, that's fine. But that 100 is important to me. All right, guys. All right. Thanks for watching. This here is my coolant tank. It's original. You know, it's got that nice patina to it. A little dirty. See, we're going to clean it up. And also, you know, our sensor had broken. And so I ordered a new sensor. And there's your part number for that. So I'm going to just go ahead and just kind of clean this up a little bit, and then we'll reinstall this sensor. And to begin with, I need to get this little snap ring off of here. And I just have this little tool right here. I don't love this tool. I think there's better ones. But it's what I'm going to use for this. There's different attachments that you can have for it, but it's just I don't know. It works. Not that it doesn't work. See, it worked, right? And then this part of the sensor will come out. And there's an O-ring stuck inside there, but that's how that is. I will get that O-ring out because our new one has an O-ring. Alright, so I'm just going to go take this over to the cleaner here and wash it out with a hose. You can see there's stuff in there. So I want to clean that up. Alright, so I've cleaned it. It's not perfect, you can't get everything out, but that's just staining. But a lot of junk did come out, cleaned it out, blew it all out. This can only go on one way, but of course, that's the float, right? It goes down. So that would go down. Before I put that in there, normally I wouldn't do this, but in this particular case I am. I'm going to put a little bit of lubricant around that O-ring. And this is easily accessible. We can get to it really easy, so we don't have to worry about it. Let me get both hands on here. But it's a different kind of a lubricant. It's a little sticky. So with the flow, it can only go in one way. So if I try to put it in this way, it won't go in. So it has to go that way, and then you just push it in. And that's a brand new O-ring, so it's going to be a little bit tight. There we go. Then we'll take our clip here. We'll go this way. Because at some point you might want to take it off. It'd be easier if I put it on. There, all fit in the groove. You can see how that fits. I checked this. This is all functioning. I put some WD-40 on it as far as the spring. This rubber feels good. The seal feels good. So you could pressure test this if you really wanted to. But I don't think you need to. So there you go. That's all put back together and ready for install.